Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I'm making a quick Instant Pot soy sauce chicken dish for dinner. Soy sauce chicken is a popular Cantonese dish served in many local Hong Kong style delis. It is a dish composed of chicken, soy sauce, and dry spices. The soy sauce chicken has deep savory flavors with hints of anise and cinnamon. It is simple but delicious and can be eaten with hot steamy rice or noodles with extra chicken broth. If you enjoy cooking with me, don't forget to click that like button for this video, share this video with your friends and family, click the subscribe button to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get alerts, reminders for new video uploads. This soy sauce chicken dish is so versatile, you can have it with steamed rice or make it into a noodle soup. Without further ado, let's get cooking, guys. Don't be deceived by the list of ingredients. This is one of the easiest and quickest dish to make, and I'm making it even faster in my 8-quart Instant Pot. The chicken comes out so tender and delicious. You can use a whole chicken or 12 drumsticks. Get your Instant Pot ready, set it to saute mode. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil so that it can begin to heat up. To the oil, add 5 smashed garlic cloves and a 1-inch ginger piece that's been sliced. As the Instant Pot begins to warm up, stir the garlic and ginger around to prevent burning. Add 4 star anise, 1 cinnamon bark, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry fennel seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry cloves. As the Instant Pot heats up, natural oils that contain flavor will be released from all the spices. Remember to stir frequently to prevent burning of the spices. Saute the spices for 2 minutes. Add the scallion ends, now for our main star, the soy sauce. Add 1 cup of soy sauce. Half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for added color and depth of flavor. Add the rest of the scallions. Add 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for some nuttiness. Half a cup of SHAOXING cooking wine. 2 bay leaves. Give everything a good stir so that all the flavors marry together. Now we can add the last half a cup of water. It's time to add our chicken. Baste the chicken with the sauce. It's time to secure the Instant Pot lid so that we can get cooking. Make sure that the vent is open. Once the lid is secure, close the vent. Now set the mode to meat stew. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Once the cooking time is complete, quick release your Instant Pot. If a deeper color is desired, cover the chicken up and let it soak for 10 more minutes in the soy sauce broth. Plate your chicken and garnish with scallions, chilies if you desire. It is ready to be served with rice or turn into a hot, steamy bowl of soup served with rice noodles, any type of noodles you want. You can simply remove the chicken from the Instant Pot, add 4 to 6 cups of chicken broth to create your soupy broth for noodles. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today, and I hope that you continue to practice and become the master chefs in your own home. If you have enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you get alerts on new videos. Hit the like button below and leave me a comment. Written recipes are available on my website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lifestyles with Deana. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.